This balanced dinner is the perfect mix of sweet, savory, and refreshing. Juicy oven-baked pork loins, crispy pan-fried plantains, a refreshing mango salsa, and homemade tamarind juice that pulls everything together perfectly. I'm using pork loins, but any cut works perfectly depending on what you have available. Place them on a chopping board and wipe down any excess moisture. This will help the seasoning stick better and ensures a beautiful golden crust in the oven. I'm placing them on this stainless pan, but any oven-safe baking tray works. For seasoning, I'm adding 1 teaspoon each of my citrus herb blend for a fresh, zesty flavor, coriander powder for warmth and brightness, cumin powder for a rich, earthy flavor, and finally salt and pepper to taste. Mix until well combined. Generously sprinkle the seasoning blend on the pork loins and pat it in. Make sure all the parts are covered so that every bite is packed with flavor and the pork roasts evenly. I will let them sit for a few minutes for the seasoning to absorb as I prep everything else. I'm making a mango salsa to add a sweet, juicy, and refreshing contrast to the savory pork. To a bowl, add a diced red onions for a sharp, punchy bite, 2 diced tomatoes for freshness and juiciness, diced cucumber for a cool, refreshing crunch, and diced mangoes for a natural sweetness. Drizzle some fresh lemon juice for brightness and to tie all the flavors together. Finally, season with some salt and pepper to taste. Mix until everything is well combined and set aside. The longer it sits, the better the flavors get. Now to the plantains. Peel them and place on a chopping board. Cut into medium-sized diagonal slices for better caramelization and crispier, more golden edges. Try to make them as even as possible so that they can cook at the same rate. Perfect. Now we are ready to start cooking. Pop the pork loins in a preheated oven and roast at 190 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes until golden on the outside and cooked through on the inside. Now add a layer of cooking oil to a pan and heat it up on medium. Add the plantains. Be gentle and very careful. Lower them in away from you so that the oil doesn't jump on you. Let them fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the underside is golden brown and the edges start to caramelize. Gently flip and fry the other side until beautifully golden, crispy, and caramelized as well. Transfer to a bowl lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil so that the plantains stay crispy on the outside without getting greasy. Keep frying until they are all done. Do it in as many batches as you need. Overcrowding will lower the temperature of the oil, making the plantains soggy instead of crispy. Season with some herbal salt for flavor and an extra savory kick to balance the natural sweetness of the plantain. Now they are done and they look amazing. Golden edges, soft and sweet in the center, and beautifully caramelized. The pork loins should be done by now. Let them sit for at least 10 minutes before cutting to allow the juices to redistribute and keep the pork juicy. Cut off the bone and then cut the meat into strips. The pork is juicy, tender, and packed with so much flavor all the way through. Now let's serve. Add the plantains for sweetness and texture, then a generous amount of the mango salsa for freshness and color, and finally the juicy pork loins for protein and richness. I'll wash this down with this refreshing homemade tamarind juice for the perfect sweet and tangy finish. This restaurant quality dinner is colorful, balanced, packed with bold flavors, and easy to pull off on a busy weeknight.